Welcome to QiYoga with LuChin. Friends, let's practice this sunrise QiGong together to get your day off to a good start. Now, let's get started. Find an even ground to stand, feet hip width. Bend your knees slightly, relax the low back. Come into the Taoist Wuji posture. Relax the shoulders, tuck the chin slightly. Project the crown of your head up towards the sky. Bring up that joyful smile. You might close your eyes. Slow and gentle breathing through the nostrils. And connect to the present moment. Blink your eyes open. Extend your arms up towards the sky. Palms together. Lower the hands to the crown of your head. Inhale, hands to heart. Exhale, turn the fingers down. Release the arms, bend into the knees. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, hands to head. Lower the hands to heart. Fingers down and repeat. This is the 10,000 hands. Synchronize the movement with your breath. Visualize 10,000 hands are helping you. Gathering the universal energy. Bring it in through the crown of your head to your heart, to your internal organs and the systems. One more time. This is a powerful healing movement. Now arms rise and turn the palms facing down. Bring it through the front of the body. 2 more times. This time, while extending the arms up, turn your body 45 degrees to the left. I'm marrying you. Then draw the hands through front and center. Now turn 45 to the right. Gathering the energy between your hands. The 混元气. 2 more on each side. Come back to center. This time turn 90 degrees to the side. Bigger movements. Feeling the gentle twist in the low back. Stretch the thoracic spine. Last one. Release the hands down. Come to stillness. Notice the sensations in the body. Tingling sensations in your hands, your fingers. That is your qi. It's being activated. Our extremities are the most sensitive. Open your eyes, hands on your low back, on your hips for hip rotation. Bend into the knees, send the hips out to the right, and draw to the left. Keep the chin tucked a little. This gentle movement, we bring mobility to our ankle joints, knee joints, hip joints, and stimulate into the 6 meridians that connect through our feet. Bring mobility to our low back, the middle section. Change the direction. As we rotate the hips, we stimulate the Mingmen point, the door of life that is on the spinal column, almost directly opposite from the navel. Powerful energy point for longevity and peak performances. And come back to center. Bring up the happy bouncing. This is also called shake the tree. Bounce or shake. Release tension from the muscles. This is the quickest way to bring up that joyful feeling, the beautiful smile. Releasing tension. Bring the arms up. Let your wrist dangle. Notice the happy energy moving up and down in the body. Try to aim the knees towards the second toes as you bounce. Notice any tension in the shoulders. As you breathe out, let go of the tension. Let's do this together. Inhale through the nose. Open mouth, exhale. Set it out. One more. Lower the arms. Swing side to side. You might hear a gentle pop over the spine. And come back to center. The next movement is the white crane leaving the nest. Cross the arms in front of you, then lengthen the arms up, spread the wings. Next, forward fold, knees are bent into any amount. Cross the arms over your legs. Inhale, rise. Back of the hands to touch. Exhale. Hinge forward. 4 more times. We do 6 movements for each one. One more. This builds strength for lower back, lower body. Right up and release the hands down. Interlace the fingers. Lift the hands up, then flip the palms. From here, lift the heels up. Engage the glute muscles. Press the hands up towards the sky. Here we're stimulating two powerful points. One's in the soles of the feet, the master point for the kidneys, the LuChin, and the heart point in the center of the palm. Lower down. Very good. Shake your wrists. And then step your feet to a wider horse stance. Hold your hands over your heart. Bend in a little. Aim the knees towards the second toes. Inhale. Exhale. Extend the arms to the side. Press the palms away. Fingers pointing towards the sky. Open the chest. You don't have to squat down as low as I'm doing. The core is engaged, spine relaxed. Inhale, rise, hands to heart. Exhale, sink down, open the chest. Rise up and sink down. Opening the heart and clearing the lungs. In this movement, we stimulate the heart meridian, the pericardium, and the lungs. Eccentrate the middle fingers. Keep the chin tucked a little. 2 more. Rise up and sink down. Open the chest. Spread your feathers. Hold here for 3 breaths. Notice the tinkling sensation through the center of the palms, through the middle fingers. And now rise up. Good job, everyone. Bring the feet closer. And then bend into the knees slightly. Lengthen the arms forward. Release the hands down. This is the Tai Chi opening. Release the hands down. Now rub your palms. Generate some heat. And massage your face 9 times. Massage your ears 9 times. Every part of the ears. And cup your head, top, back, and your neck. Very good. Hold your hands to your heart. Bow to the universe. Bow to the sun. Friends, this concludes our sunrise practice. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know how it went for you. Leave a comment, like the video, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take care.